Þú ætlar að kalla til þýskan prófessor þér til vitnis, bara örstutt.
Dr. Martin Heller, hann ætlar að, þú kannski spyrja hann hvernig reglurnar eru í Þýskaland.
Dr. Heller,
yes,
are you there? You were just going to comment shortly on what Sveinn has been telling me about how the rules about these issues are in Germany.
Yes. You're talking about the homes of private individuals and if they're starting to fail paying on mortgages. I mean, the rules here are, they improved several years ago regarding the insolvency of private individuals. But regarding the private homes, we have to keep in mind that the whole asset and the fortune of the individual is looked at totally. So there is no privilege for the private homes that it will be prepared. But if, for instance, your credit that is still mortgaged on the private home is higher than the value of the home and you can't pay this back, you will probably be prosecuted or it will be put onto auction by the bank probably because you can't pay this after you put in all the other values you have probably. You know, in the term of the insolvency process, then if the house is sold, let's say, on an auction for 40% of the mortgage that is still on it, you know, the problem only occurs when the value of the house is much lower than the mortgage that still is there.
Yeah.
So then you have, you can claim for private insolvency as a private individual, and there is a special court procedure that is, there's a trustee that sits there and accompanies you through 6 years, and after the 7th year, you are free of payments of the mortgage or of the debt that still is there, was there, or would have been there if you know, would have been still in the contract with the bank. So the bank probably still sits there with an amount of money they have to write off because they will never get this money again.
Yes.
Because the property has been sold for less value than the mortgage is. And the whole plan of the 6 years, it's always according to your ability. You have to strictly obey these rules within the 6 years. There will be a control of your assets and of your income and what you can afford to pay. And after these years, you as a private individual are free.
Yes.
The idea was, of course, that somebody isn't burdened until the end of his life with something he did, of course, without fraudulent intention.
That's the important thing, that somebody isn't burned, isn't sort of caught in to the end of his life.
Exactly.
Thank you.
The idea.